Snakes, the slithery, legless reptiles, have intrigued humans for centuries. These elongated creatures are not just slithering wonders but also crucial components of our ecosystem. Snakes are members of the suborder Serpentes, one of the two suborders in the order Squamata, which also includes lizards. With more than 3,600 species worldwide, they come in various sizes, shapes, and colors, from the tiny, 8-inch, 20 centimeters, leaf-nosed viper to the massive 33-foot, 10-meter, reticulated python. The snake's diet primarily consists of small animals such as rodents, birds, and eggs. Some snakes are even venomous, using their specialized fangs to inject venom into their prey. However, not all snakes are venomous. In fact, less than half of all snake species are venomous. Snake's venom is a complex mixture of proteins, enzymes, and other compounds that can cause harm to their prey. Venomous snakes deliver this venom through their fangs, which are modified teeth located at the front of their upper jaw. When a snake bites, its lower jaw is hinged to its upper jaw, allowing the fangs to penetrate deep into the prey. Venomous snakes use venom for two main purposes: hunting and self-defense. Some venomous snakes are constrictors, meaning they immobilize their prey by wrapping around it and squeezing, but they don't rely solely on constriction. Instead, they inject venom to aid in the killing process. Delving deeper into the world of snakes, scientists continue to uncover fascinating facts about these elusive creatures. From their unique reproduction methods, most snakes lay eggs or give birth to live young, to their intricate communication systems, using scent, vibrations, and visual cues. Snakes are a testament to the wonders of evolution. In conclusion, snakes may slither and slide, but they are far from simple creatures. These fascinating reptiles have adapted remarkably to their environment, evolving into a diverse array of species that continue to captivate and inspire us. So, the next time you encounter a snake, remember it's not just a slithering creature but a part of our intricate and awe-inspiring natural world.